Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video, I am stripping my husband's nasty uniforms. They smell terrible. They smell like gas, oil, grease, you name it, they stink. They smell so bad. But my husband is a diesel mechanic, so he had asked me to strip his laundry, and I didn't have everything I normally use to do it. But it is a cup of borax, a cup of laundry soda, and normally I use a cup of OxyClean and powdered Tide, but my husband is allergic to Tide, so I use Gain. It works. I have done this a few times on my channel, but as y'all can see, they are absolutely disgusting. Y'all seen hour 1, hour 2. We are coming up on hour 3. And they were absolutely disgusting. And I did put these in the washer before I started stripping them. I did wash them, and I washed them twice on a heavy duty deep clean. I was trying to get them as clean as possible because I wanted y'all to see how disgusting they are and how much more nastiness I actually got out of the uniforms. The bottom of the tub didn't have a lot of grit and grime on the bottom, but there was a few black spots in there. But by this point, mostly I was trying to get the smell out. So I did put them in the washer, and I put them on a spin cycle first. And then I went in and washed them. Actually, it was the very next day because we had had a very busy week. Last week was my birthday. My husband took me car shopping and bought me a new car, and then my daughter was absolutely busy, and I will tell you guys all about that next week. But I hope you all enjoyed this short little video, and I hope you